Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading with Hariom. My name is Hariom and today I am doing something very special. Recently I have added 7 stocks in my portfolio. I will walk you through my thought process for each pick, execute the orders in real time, explain why I believe the mixed growth balance and stability. But hey folks, before I start further, I would like to warn you this is not a buy sell call. So let's jump into it. First one is Aavas Finance. Aavas Financiers is a company that gives home loan to people in underserved and rural areas. It mainly helps low and middle income people who run their small businesses and do not have a regular job income. It also offers loan to small businesses. The company targeted to people who find difficult to get loan from big banks. Recently the RBI cut interest rate, which is great news for loan borrowers. This means that loan will get cheaper and EMI will go down. For a company like Aavas Finance, which gives loan to small towns, this is very positive sign. Lower interest rates make it easier for people to take loan and repay it on time, which can help Aavas Finance grow its business faster. I already made a video on Aavas Finance. Second company is Latent View. Latent View is a company that helps other companies grow their business faster using smart data and new technology, including machine learning, ChatGPT, generative AI, NLP, computer vision, and so on. It might even predict what will be the sales in upcoming quarter. They build system to handle large amount of data and create digital tools to solve business problem. Latent View works with the well-known companies across different areas including technology, retail, consumer, and finance. Latent View's chart looks very promising. It is forming a beautiful complex curve with a handle pattern. Apart from that, Nifty IT is also forming a reverse head and shoulder pattern, which will be helpful for IT stocks like Latent View. Third stock is Tata Motors. Tata Motors is a company that makes many types of vehicles like car, SUV, truck, buses and vehicles for army. It is the part of famous Tata Group which is known all over the world. Tata Motors sells its vehicle in many countries and has offices and factories in UK, India, China, Brazil, Australia, South Africa and South Korea. It also works with the other companies like Jaguar Land Rover in the UK and Tata Dio in the South Korea. The chart of Nifty Auto is forming a beautiful reverse head and shoulder pattern. Tata Motors will be the key player benefiting from this momentum. Apart from that, Tata Motors will separate in two parts, which will be unlock the significant value for shareholders soon. Fourth one is TeamLease. TeamLease provide employment-related services. It provides solution for recruitment, training, payroll, staffing, and regulatory compliances. It has a three main business vertical. First one is generalized staffing, which contribute 93% revenue. Second one is specialized staffing, which contribute 5% revenue. And the third one is HR services, which contribute 2% revenue. TeamLease has reported highest ever net profit, showing strong growth and performance. With the solid base of trusted shareholders, the company is well positioned for continued success in the staffing and recruitment sector. Fifth one is Indigo Paint. Indigo Paint is one of the top paint company in India, which makes many types of decorative paints for building and homes. The company was the first in India to launch unique products like metallic emulsion and tile coat emulsion. In this product category, the company enjoyed around 80 to 90% market share. Over the last 5 years, the crude oil prices have seen big ups and downs. Recently, the prices come down from its peak level, which is the good sign for companies like Indigo Paint. Since many raw materials for paint like chemical and solvents are made for oil, lower crude prices help reduce their production cost, which means Indigo Paint can improve their profit margin. Sixth company I have added is Glen Pharma. It is making a beautiful complex curve with handle pattern. Please comment below for Glen Pharma. I will make full video for you. Seventh stock I added in my portfolio is IndiaMart Intermesh. I already made a detailed video on IndiaMart Intermesh. I would like to recommend you please watch that video as well. I will provide the link in the description box. Apart from that, I would like to show you my line investing. Let's go. take this video as a study purpose. This is not a buy sell call. Please do your own research and talk with your advisor before taking any action, because I am not a SEBI registered RA. We'll back in next video. Till time, happy investing.